while it was raining. Do you remember the network was bad around Okigwe, Ihube, and Arondizog? While it was raining, since day before yesterday. Yesterday was the pop-up of it. As at yesterday, because I'm Nimogeri Sinda. So, of course, you know how they behave. So, they weren't getting network. They were not getting network on those their CCTVs they used to monitor people, because people are no longer working with them. Some people who gives them information was no longer working with that gentle the h0o and some of his group. You know why? Because of that video of those guys, those 3 guys he pied on camera. Are you getting what I'm saying? People stopped working with them, giving them information. They were not getting information 100% again. Because when we saw that video, so many of us reposted that video. That video went viral. The video spoke life into the conscience of those people that he uses before to monitor areas. The other guys he had in those scams, they were having issues immediately. Now, they resolved to collecting phones, seizing of phones, Android phones from some of their boys, so that they will no longer be watching internet, hearing what some of us will be saying or telling them. They were having issues because some of their boys were later complaining. Can he get about these guys? Can he get about these boys? Why? What did they do? Or say no jiri has smooth to honor. He said by himself, no jiri hammer way smooth to honor. This is how they always use people to smooth work. And when they had a so I was like, he gets an open house from that thing. Gentle himself, they speak Hausa. They collected phones from these guys, collected Android phones from them. That a few days ago, it was raining, and these guys, they lose guard. They never knew that while it was raining, securities were advancing into the communities. They never knew that men were advancing the communities. They were advancing. Of course, in his normal way. While it rained, they saw the need to approach closer to communities. They left the bush, because how they do is, sometimes they will come and make videos in houses. Then they will go to the bush and sleep or change area, change locations. So they decided to approach closer to the houses. So that it will be easy for them to possibly get a good shelter and all that. Little did they know that while it was raining, check as at then, none of them can say that their CCTV showed anything, even as at today. So what they did was, the security men, everybody ought to advance into the place. They didn't use armored vehicles because they determined to walk. They never used armored vehicles. They advanced by foot. They advanced by local motorcycles and all that. Few of these wise men came in, sustained their landing in the communities, and laid ambushes for these people. This person you see terrorizing Alibo, who makes all these kind of noises and all that, finally, while coming back to the place where he can gain shelter and all that, without being known, when network is seized in your area, which means there are other means of passing network. So they advanced into the community by the grace of God. The same people, the same security men, the same military you pied this woman who happens to be their member and by the husband. My concern is the people gentle still have in custody. There are people they must have kidnapped since day before yesterday. Where are they? They are trying to get some of them because they change the line by all means. You know, they have so many lines. They don't have SIM card of their own. No, it is their kidnapped victims. They are kidnappers. Those are the phone numbers they use. They use that one today, tomorrow they use another one. The Galadima was coming back with his squad. Of course, the way they share themselves and all that. Thank God for these brave men. They were able to freeze them. And some of his boys, some of those whom tried to be funny. But funny enough, the clock went faster than their steps.